Hi, I'm Darren Grunwald. I'm a product specialist with Bobcat. Today I'm going to show you how to remove your quick attach bucket. Step one, simply raise your quick attach levers, tilt your bucket forward and back away. To install your attachment, ensure the quick attach levers are in the upward position. Slowly drive forward until quick attach engages with the attachment interface. Stop the machine. Secure the quick attach levers to the attachment. Enter and start your machine. And now you're ready to operate. The Quick Attach system is a great way to hook up attachments safely and securely. As always, refer to your operations and maintenance manual for more information. Visit bobcat.com to learn more about Bobcat compact tractors.